Let SimpliStock Peg do the job of conditioning your candy and snack displays and make the center of your store the center of attention. SimpliStock Peg quickly transforms existing peg walls into attractive and functional pusher displays that automatically front-face and condition bagged products like candy, snacks, nuts, and jerky, with minimal labor required. Get the efficiency of a pusher display using the peg or slat walls you already have in place. Simply attach the lightweight and adjustable pusher trays, load, and SimpliStock Peg delivers. Front-face products all day long. Increased product facings. A better shopping experience. Stay ahead of your competition, save money on restocking costs, and enjoy a lift in candy and snack sales by adding SimpliStock Peg.